Mommy, not truth.
Yeah! Going.
Try to fit all the shit that we bought inside the fridge.
So we just went to Walmart and bought a crap load of crap, as you can see. Super woo! Yeah, we bought a lot of stuff, and most of it is in the fridge, and we kind of can't fit it all in, because this is America, and we have small fridges. So we've arranged it like 2 ways already.
Yes.
And what it is those watermelons. You see those? Point at them, Kim. The watermelons. They don't fit.
The carrots don't fit.
It's like a puzzle. A shit puzzle.
I don't know. When we want to eat something, you gotta put it back the way it was.
We have to take a picture of it and put it in front of the fridge so we know.
Mommy, not truth.
Yeah! He chose. He chose for that. But now my juice doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to drink it all.
Maybe it will. Let me see.
I doubt it. Let me pour another cup.
No, it does not.
It's not gonna fit anymore.
Or pineapple. You know what? What's this? I just have to take out the juice. Take out the mayonnaise. I got the pineapple.
You like my little tripod?
What the hell is that?
You're stupid.
Oh, some of my stuff. Can I have some of my stuff?
What stuff? Oh, you're spicy? Maybe they'll sponsor.
Mexicans.
Maybe they'll sponsor us. Mexico. Sí.
Chili powder. Okay. That was stupid.